Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate with cocoa using an easy method. First, gather your essential ingredients: cocoa powder, cocoa butter, and your preferred sweetener. You'll also need a double boiler or a microwave-safe bowl and molds for shaping your delicious treats. Make sure all your equipment is perfectly clean and dry before you begin. Next, gently melt your cocoa butter. A double boiler is ideal, but a microwave on low power works too. Once melted, gradually stir in your cocoa powder until smooth. Then, incorporate your chosen sweetener, like powdered sugar, ensuring there are no lumps. This step is crucial for achieving that silky texture we all love in chocolate. Now for the fun part, adding flavor. A few drops of vanilla extract or a pinch of cinnamon can elevate your chocolate. Stir the mixture thoroughly until it's perfectly smooth and glossy. Carefully pour the warm chocolate into your prepared molds. Gently tap the molds on your counter a few times to release any trapped air bubbles, ensuring a beautiful finish. Finally, place your filled molds into the refrigerator for about 1 to 2 hours, or until the chocolate is completely firm. Once solid, carefully pop your homemade chocolate out of the molds. Store your delicious creations in a cool, dry place. Now, you can savor the rich, satisfying taste of your very own handcrafted chocolate. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.